This is the Axiom, the most powerful and advanced gold machine Garrett has ever produced. Axiom is the lightest weight detector in its class, sleek, well balanced, powered by a built-in, high-capacity lithium-ion battery that provides about 16 hours of use, twice that of other high-end pulse detectors. Axiom is all about gold performance. Its ultra-pulse technology means ultra-fast, multi-pulse technology and timings, along with advanced digital signal processing. This allows Axiom to maintain excellent depth on larger targets while providing enhanced sensitivity to very fine gold, including nuggets of sub 1/10 gram size or 1 to 2 grain sized. Axiom has excellent sensitivity and an all-new TerraScan multi-channel ground balancing system. Its wide range of adjustment allows Axiom to handle everything from extremely mineralized ferrous black sands to hot rocks and ironstones, to salty alkaline areas and even saltwater beaches. With TerraScan, 4 different timing modes, an EMI cancellation feature, and 4 selectable speed settings for continuous ground tracking, Axiom has the versatility to find gold or relics in places where other high-end pulse detectors simply can't. Axiom's interface allows for easy adjustments with the press of your thumb, adjustable volume and threshold tone, backlight, built-in Z-Link wireless system, iron check. Axiom has 2 selectable audio types and a signal strength and polarity indicator across the top to see detection signals. Axiom includes 6 coil options, an 11-inch, 13-inch or 16-inch size search coil, each available in either double D or mono configurations to cover most any application. Axiom is loaded with versatility, technology and performance to help you find gold where others can't.